Bonjour les amis, I've been asked to make 250 biscuits for school children to decorate for the coronation. My go-to recipe when it comes to making biscuits that we need to decorate is actually from the BBC Good Food website. Let's make them. In the bowl of your mixer, put 200 grams of soft butter, 200 grams of golden castor sugar, and cream it together. Now add 1 egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 400 grams of plain flour. Now mix until it becomes a biscuit dough. Now you can form a dough with your hands, patting it, I'll show you. Comme ça. Now roll it until it's half a centimeter thick and cut your shapes. Now bake these at 180 degrees Celsius. It will take about 10 minutes, however this will depend on the size of your cookie. Et voilà, delicious biscuits, perfect for decorating. Bon appétit les amis!